Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a really fun collab with Elise Explosion, Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly, Ayla Advar, Starts and Stitches, Trolls, Dolls, and More, and Tapping Flamingo, aka Bohemian Hippie. And what we did is we all took this same pattern and we made a cape for a Blythe or a fashion doll, any 1/6 doll. I took some plaid, and I know it didn't come out like plaid should, but I like it anyway. I made this little cape. I only put 2 snaps on. Probably should have added the 3rd, but I'm okay with it. And we added the little collar. I have satin underneath, so it kind of rolls up. A stitch around the bottom wouldn't be a bad idea. Real pleased with it though. The pattern was not hard at all. Satin made it a little harder, but otherwise it worked out really cute, I think. It's all lined. We set that aside and introduce you to our Ruth 66. Whoops, forgot to run that brush through her hair. It is so humid in here. My hair's doing the same thing. This is Ruth 66. She is a 50-ish styled doll. You can tell by her mascara and eyebrows, red lipstick all the way out to the ends of the lips. She has pearl earrings, a string of pearl beads. She needs a little pearl necklace, but they need to be like bead size. Anyway, I made her a little skirt to match, kind of retro. I wish this top fit a little better, but there it is. I do like her eyes. I've told you before that Darren likes especially likes the bi eyes, that is bilateral. This is a little more green than this eye is. And we did that for all 4 of her eyes, just for the fun of it. Very pleased. She's going to be wearing this when we take her. The reason we bought this doll, Darren wanted chrome hair. Of course, it's gray, and anyone born in the 50s now has that gray hair, or graying. And she's going to be our Route 66 doll. But here's my little cape. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining in on this fun collab. Please go by and watch all the videos listed in the description below. Everybody took the time to make the little cape, which I think just worked out great. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel.